Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see what you can do if you want to change your TikTok region country location. So its first step would be, first of all, you'd need to open TikTok, and from there you'll just go on your settings. So on the top right corner you will just click on these three lines. From here you'll go on settings and privacy. Once you go on settings and privacy, you will go on privacy, and from here just go a bit down and you will see location services. You're going to press on location services and make sure in this permission settings this option is set at never. If it is set at while using, this process won't work, so just make sure you set this at never. Apart from that, you can also delete certain location data. To clear it off even more, you'll just press on delete certain location data, and from here you just press on delete. Now from here you will also go to your device settings. As you can see right here, it's giving you an option to directly go on device settings. Once you're at device settings, what you'll have to do is you will go on permissions. Once you're at permissions, just make sure that location is in not allowed. If it is in allowed, what you're going to do is you will just click on it and make it not allowed. As you can see, when you click on location permission, these are the three options you see. Don't go on the first two, just press on don't allow, and this will disable location and it won't be able to track what your current location is. Now, step two, in order to change a country's location, is using any sort of VPN or anything else in order to set another country as your location. In this case, we will use GPS Emulator. Now, once you install GPS Emulator and set it up, this is the screen that you will see. Now, it's an extremely simple process. You can use any of these countries as your location currently. And what you're going to have to do is, for example, if you want to choose United States, you'll just go on United States and you'll click on this green location bar. As you can see, there's a green location sign right here, and you will press on this, and after that your location would be updated and your device country location on TikTok would be changed. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.